Got the hard part out the way. I'm gonna just show y'all the easy part. This oil change from 2011 Porsche Panamera. Sometimes you gotta learn how to do some of this shit yourself, man. This shit expensive. You know what I mean? It's an expensive job right here. Save a lot of money. You learn to do this shit yourself. You know, oil change, spark plugs, all that stuff. So a fairly simple process. You know, all the stuff is fairly simple, as you can see. As you can see how black that oil is. Cook. That's bad. You know, want your motor to last long. Want your motor to last long. You gotta treat it like a baby. Treat it like your baby. You can see this the oil filter. I'm taking this oil filter. I'm gonna replace this. Here's the screw to the pan. Just to show you how simple it is. This is the pan. This is the screw to the pan. Take a star key or something. You know. I'm gonna loosen this up after I let this drip out for a couple minutes. I'm gonna loosen this up. Let all the oil out the car. Everything. You know. Let it run for, you know, let this stuff run out for a minute, and then I'm gonna replace the filter and go ahead and, you know, put some fresh oil in. Put my new rings on my filter. Make sure my springs is in place, and you know, we ready to go. Yeah, it ain't much dripping out now, so there it is. There you go. Look at that. There you go, baby. My question is where the hell the spring at? Set this here. Let that run for a minute.